Hi guys, today we are going to see how to connect MySQL database in the Django project. So first of all, make sure to install Django. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So I have already installed the Django, and then I'm going to create a folder called project. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up the VS Code, and then I'm going to open up the terminal. Here I'm going to change the directory to the project folder. So now I'm going to create the Django project in that folder. So as you can see, our project has been created. So I am going to open up that project folder in here. So here you can see the project files. You need to go to the settings.py. You can see in that database connection folder, you can see there is a file called settings.py. You need to go there and then scroll down, and you will see the database information here. So it comes with the default SQLite 3, but we have to change it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up the MySQL workbench. Here my user is root and my password is 129. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a database called Django tables. So let's run the code. Now if you refresh here, you can see our Django tables database. So I'm going to close this. What we need to do here is, so remove this SQLite 3 and then write MySQL. So here in the name, you got to give the database you have created in here. So what we created is Django tables. So our database name is Django tables. You have to give that name here in that name key. So here you need to give Django tables, and then we have to mention the user. As I have already said, my username is root. And then we got to give the password. Here my password is 129, and then we got to give the host. So mine is localhost, and then you got to give the port here, which is 3306. So that's it. I'm going to save this file, and then I'm going to open up the. So before we go on to that, let's see here in this Django tables database, there is no tables so far. So when we save, we should save the file after the changes, and then open up the terminal in here, then write python manage.py migrate. You can see the error here. So it needs us to install a module called MySQL client. So in order to do that, I'm going to open up the command prompt, and then I'm going to write pip install MySQL client. So the module has been installed. So let's write python manage.py migrate. Now all these tables has been created in that database. So if you go to that workspace and refresh here, you can see in the tables, we can see all these tables has been created from the Django. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video.